How to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Telegram in your device. Now here, first of all, let me delete a channel. I have this channel right here. Now to delete it, I have to leave this channel. So tap on the three dots icon and then tap on leave channel, then leave channel. After you do that, the channel gets deleted from your Telegram. Now, if you like to recover that deleted channel again in your Telegram, all you have to do is search for that channel again. So, tap on the search bar from the top right corner and here you have to search for that channel. So, this is a channel that I would like to recover which I have recently deleted. So, again, tap on that channel and then all you have to do is join. And after that, all the information from this channel will be recovered. So that's how you can recover deleted channel in Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.